Hey guys, so I'm gonna get right into it. I'm gonna start with my eyes. I'm not sure of the look that I'm doing today. I have a couple of products here that I wanted to talk about. First of all, I'm not sure how to say this name, so I do apologize, but it's Jackie Megiddo or Jackie Guido. I'm not sure if the M is silent. This is the liquid liner pen waterproof brown long-lasting brow liner. I'm going to use that for my brows today. On the eyes, I'm going to be doing the Zulu by Juvia's Place. Of course, I know you guys are probably all familiar with this. I'm going to stick in the blue family today because from Lena Lashes, I think it's Lena, I'm not sure. I have this blue glitter. So I'm going to be sticking in the blue family today, and then I'll be doing some blue glitter with it. Beauty Bakery Concealer dries like the fastest concealer I've ever seen. Danessa Myricks Color Fix 24-hour matte color in Lift. I love white cream colors. To start my eyes, my primer, I usually always use a white primer or something very, very, very light. And I'm going to use this. I'm really excited for this because I'm going to use this under my eyes. Because I'm so fair, this is just a personal preference. Like, I know a lot of people, this would be too extreme, but I use white under my eyes as my concealer. So I'll use this concealer for color correction. And then I'll use my white to really, really make it like pop. I like a really bright under eye, think like Tatiana from RuPaul's Drag Race. Look at this packaging. This is so extra. I'm obsessed. So I'm really excited to use these. They're quite firm. I might dampen them. I don't usually dampen my beauty blenders. For primer, I'm going to use Danessa Myricks Smooth FX Refining Gel. I'm really excited about this because this reminds me of my Guerlain, whatever, one that I really enjoy. I wanted to mention this brow liner is like super crazy intense. I used to use the Kat Von D tattoo liner in brown for my brows. I would put it all really dark and then I would fade it out with a makeup remover wipe, and I really enjoy how my brows have turned out today. To lighten them up a bit, I did use the Sasha matte face powder in translucent light. This is what I bought to set my whole face. This is like pretty dark for me, so I don't know how that's gonna go over, but I'm sure I'll make it work. I'm gonna continue on now, guys. So anyway, I like everything so far. I truly do. You guys, I really want to give this foundation a fair shot, but this is the hardest foundation to work with I've ever experienced. I really expected something really good, and like, honestly, the foundation feels like you just took the concealer and put it in a larger container. I got number 55. I think this was the lightest color, and it's still not light enough. And whatever, that's no big deal. I can mix white in with it. But the white, can you guys see this? It's like lifting the foundation. I had a really hard time working around my nose. I don't know what was happening, but the foundation was like lifting, and it looked like my pores are really bad on my nose, honestly. I'm not sure if you guys can see. I never have a problem with pores. Can you guys see that too? I know you can see that because that's a huge like indent almost. I'm gonna keep working with it. I don't want to take it off, but I'm like really displeased. I tried this Beauty Bakery foundation. It says online to prep it with oil. That's completely my fault. I did not see that. So I went ahead and I thought to myself, what am I going to do? I don't have a black owned makeup brand oil. I looked through my entire collection and I have a lot of shit, you guys. I couldn't find anything. So I tried the NYX Hydra Touch Oil Primer. I just bought this the other day. This did not work at all. It did the same thing. It like clung in weird spaces. It like clung in weird parts. This is like, once again, there's literally powder like in this foundation. It's the most bizarre thing, and I hate, absolutely hate that I cannot use that foundation for this video. I feel completely like drained about it. I think I'm like, for now, guys, please accept my apology if you came to this video for an all black makeup brand video, because I am titling that's what I want it to be, but I am going to be using the YSL All Hours foundation. I really like this one, and I want to give the rest of the products a fair chance. So I use the Sacha Matte, Sacha, I keep saying Sacha because there's a C in it instead of an S. Sacha Matte Face Powder in Translucent Light. It's the loose face powder. This is beautiful, however, it's way too dark for my skin, so I used it in my contour areas. I used Coty Airspun for the rest of my face. Like, it's so dark, it's like a whole different skin color. So I thought with Translucent Light, of course, I know that there's tons and tons of people who most likely love that product, and it's beautiful. And if anybody knows what color would be my color, let me know, and I'll most definitely get it because I really liked it. The Jackie Guido, not sure. I use that in the color pink. It's the blush on rouge. So it's absolutely gorgeous. I'm really happy with it. I love this color pink. I think I'm gonna get an orange one from them because I do usually wear orange blush more. I found my new love. This is the Danessa Myricks in Light in Aura of Light, I think it is. This is stunning, but it really makes you look wet. Eyeliner, I'm going to be using the Danessa Myricks Color Fix Waterproof Cushion Color in black. I've never used a cushion eyeliner before, so I'm very excited for this. I'm using Ghoul Gloss. Ghoul Gloss is by a friend of mine named Olivia. She's gorgeous. She does amazing work. Go check her out. I'll leave her Instagram down below. The business name is Cherry Ghoul, and this color is Hallows Eve 1970. For eyeliner, I'm going to be using Jackie Guido, not sure. I'm going to be using that in black, in Lena Lashes, and they are stunning. They're huge. I'm really happy. So I'm really happy with these. They're absolutely stunning. I'm excited to put them on. They're really soft. Lash glue. I am using the Lock On Lash Super Bonding Latex Free Adhesive in Invisible. This is Danessa Myricks as well. I bought these from Camera Ready Cosmetics. I've ordered from there for quite a while. Cherry Ghoul, Ghoul Gloss, everything. I had full intentions of using this as a lip liner, but I'm fucking done. Like, this is everything. This formula, this color. Oh, I'm living. I'm so happy. Like I said, I'll leave her links down below because she's everything. Maybe I'll get her on my channel sometime. That'd be fun. So I'm gonna go do my eyelashes. I used the glitter from Leah Lashes as well too, which they were so kind enough to send me. Now I have not had I've not had contact with Lena Lashes, but I got a second pair of lashes and I got a glitter included in my order that I did not personally order. So I'm incredibly grateful for that. That is amazing customer service. Oh, by the way, this waterproof cushion color by Danessa Myricks in black is so good. Like, it is so good. It is the blackest black. Like, it didn't crack. I usually have a problem with my inner corner cracking and my outer corner cracking because I have, I guess, really round eyes. I don't know. My eyes are really red because I do my makeup in front of a fan. I'm obsessed. Like, I literally loved everything except for the Beauty Bakery foundation, which you heard my opinions on that. Unfortunately, I'm really upset that I didn't like it. That's okay. It happens. I'm really happy with how everything turned out. Like I said, I literally like everything except for the Beauty Bakery foundation. I really wanted to, you know, film just to kind of show my support for my brothers and sisters of color. Hope you guys really enjoyed the video. This was a lot of fun to do. I've found, like, as many brands as I've tried in this video, I've found that I absolutely love. So I'm really, really happy, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoy. Have a great day. Bye.